Today I'm going to show you how Nano Banana Pro from Google just killed Photoshop. We're going to use Nano Banana inside Flex Clip to create amazing stuff. We're going to start from Darth Vader, generated by Nano Banana Pro, and then we're going to use Nano Banana Pro to change our image and do multiple shots, like zoom out, zoom in on the hand, on the helmet, do different angles of photography, all generated within AI. Like we're going to try so many prompts, so many different edits that are done by Nano Banana Pro perfectly with a single prompt. Like you can see all of the things here. These are not the actual reference images we're going to use, but the idea here is that Nano Banana Pro allows you to do any kind of editing that you would like, simply replacing Photoshop very cheaply. All of the prompts for today's video are going to be inside my free school community. It's down below on the link in the description, along with the presentation, the prompt guide to generate your own prompts. Now, we're going to be using Nano Banana Pro inside FlexClip AI Photo Editor. The link for that will be down below in the description if you want to check it out. Also, their photo editors has, some things that I really love. Like you can create an action figure from your image. You can turn it into a baby, change the background. Like they have so many pre-made prompts which you can use moving forwards. So even if you don't want to use FlexClip, you can go ahead and take their prompts because they're super powerful. But as you have seen in the previous videos, FlexClip is so powerful because it allows us to access all of these AI tools within a single subscription. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started with one very simple image. Our starting image is the following one. So the prompt for this image to be generated was simply Darth Vader in front of Parthenon in winter. So let me show you exactly what Nano Banana has created for us. The first thing we did was do a zoom out. So the original image was this one, and then by asking it to zoom out using the prompt inside the school community, look at that. It changed only Darth Vader, zoomed him out. The next prompt was to focus on his hand. So we asked it to create a close-up shot on the black gloved hand of Darth Vader. Now everything here was asked inside FlexClip. You can find all of the history tab over here. So let me show you the exact image. Look at that. Focusing on the hand of Darth Vader. This is top-notch quality. Let me show you exactly. Look at that, guys. This is pretty incredible. This is pretty insane. And using the same prompts, we focused, for example, on the helmet. So look at that, guys. This is absolutely insane. No words. Then we can go over changing the field of view, changing the perspective of the camera. So this is a shot of Darth Vader from a low angle. And the only thing we do is, again, we take this simple prompt that talks about our subject. And if you have a different image, you can just change Darth Vader. And for example, here is the background, the ancient ruins. So you come here, you give it the original image you have and ask it to change this. So it's pretty easy. You can select the resolution and aspect ratio. I keep this automatic and look at what it created. This is pretty incredible. This is, for example, a high angle image. So this is using the high angle prompt. And this is literally the Dutch angle. Look at how epic this looks. This thing would take a designer hours upon hours to create, but we do all of these shots, all of these angles, all of these different things super fast with just a simple prompt. This is zero shot, meaning the first response I got, I have it over here. This is a back angle of Vader. So this is the high angle and behind. This is a different angle, close up, low angle prompt. This is an overhead shot of Vader. Guys, this is incredible. And this is what we did to generate a Jedi. So, this Jedi. So here we got Vader along with the Jedi antagonist. So how can you merge those two images? Very simple. You come to the photo editor, you select both of the images. So in this case, it's the Jedi and Darth Vader. That's baby mode. You go ahead and take this prompt here, front view, full body of a Jedi, blah blah with Darth Vader. So this is the multi-character generation. You paste the prompt here, so you remove all of that, and you're good to go. Like, it's pretty easy. Maybe actually this is the actual prompt I used, because the other one was to generate the Jedi. And boom, just like that, you have like this image. Here you have a different perspective. And here is a baby Vader. Now this is where stuff become super interesting, because this baby Vader, version, and this baby Skywalker version just comes through this baby filter effect. So the only thing you gotta do is just place Darth Vader in the original image and the Jedi in 2 separate calls, select baby filter and click generate inside the photo editor of FlexClip. Like, this is next level stuff. And you can see here the actual merge we did before. So you can see that everything is happening live. This is an image of the baby Vader with the Jedi, and you can do it through the AI group filter here. So AI photo editor from FlexClip has also an action figure. They've got so many pre-made prompts that allow you to turn your images exactly how you want. This is changing, for example, the season into summer. So like, FlexClip also pushes Nano Banana forwards with some pre-specified prompts and actions that you can use. I firmly expect them to even go harder on them, improve on them, make more of them. So I think that's already super, super powerful. And hopefully you found this video interesting and helpful. Make sure to try out FlexClip. Make sure to join the school community to get the prompts. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.